Welcome students, 10th class mathematics. Students, today we shall study about how to find sum of n terms of an AP. Let us consider one arithmetic progression AP 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. These are the number of terms. These are the terms of the given AP. First term is 2. It is represented by A. A is the first term. It is 2. And common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1. That is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. It is 2. And number of terms in the given AP, they are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is n. N is the number of terms in the given AP. It is 5. Now students, to find the sum of all these terms in the given AP, we should find first, try to find out the formula. That is, now total number of terms is 5 less 1. Number of terms is 5. 5 minus 1. Subtracting 1 from the number of terms, it is 4. Multiply this difference by the common difference. Multiply this difference, 5 minus 1 is 4. Multiply this difference by the common difference of the AP. Common difference of the AP is 2. Now multiply this by 2. It is 8. Then add 2 times the first term. Adding 2 times the first term. 2 into A. A is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. Now multiply this product by number of terms divided by 2. Multiply this product with number of terms is 5 by 2. 12 into 5 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. Then take the product of 6 and 5. 6 into 5 is 30. This is the sum of all these terms of the AP. Let us check whether it is right or wrong. This is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10, 10, 10. Totally, sum of all the terms is 30. Therefore, this is the method how to find the sum of n terms of an AP. So, instead of using this method, there is one formula to find the sum of n terms of an AP. That is, sum of n terms of an AP. Sn is equals to, Sn means sum of n terms of AP is equals to 2a into bracket, Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find the sum of n terms of an AP. Let us find the sum of all the terms of AP by using this formula. Our given arithmetic progression is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here the number of terms is 5. That is, n is equals to 5. First term is 2. A is 2. And second term is 4. Second term minus first term gives the common difference. D is equals to A2 minus A1. That is equals to 4 minus 2. That is equals to 2. Therefore, common difference D is 2. Now, using the formula, Therefore, sum of n terms of an AP is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, put n is equals to 5. Yes, 5 is equals to n by 2. N is 5. 5 by 2 into bracket 2 into a. 2 into the value of a is 2 plus n minus 1. N is the number of terms in the AP. It is 5. 5 minus 1 into d. D is the common difference. It is 2. Therefore, that is equals to 5 by 2 into bracket 2 into 2 is 4 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into common difference. It is 2. That is equals to 5 by 2 into bracket 4 plus 4 2s are 8. That is equals to 5 by 2 into 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 1s are 2 6s are 5 into 6 is 30. This is the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms of the given AP. Sn is equals to 30. Therefore, n is 5. Therefore, yes, 5 is equals to 30. Take one example, students. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP. 8, 3, minus 2, etc. This is our given AP. Given AP is 8, 3, minus 2, etc. The number of terms in the given AP is 22. N is equals to 22, number of terms. A is the first term, it is 8. A is 8. A1 is 8, A2 is 3. A2 minus A1 gives the common difference. Common difference. D is equals to A2 minus A1. 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. We need to find the sum of the first 22 terms. That is S22. We need to find. We know that formula to find the n terms of an AP, Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, put the value of n, it is 22. 22 by 2 into bracket 2a. 2 into a is the first term 8 plus n minus 1. N is the number of terms 22. 22 minus 1 into d is the common difference. It is minus 5. 22 by 2, 2 1s are, 2 11s are, 11 into bracket 2 8s are 16 plus 22 minus 1 is 21 into minus 5 bracket complete is equals to 11 into bracket 16 plus into minus is minus 21 5s are 105. That is equals to 11 into bracket, take the difference, 105 is negative, 16 is positive, negative number is more, answer is minus, 15 minus 6 is 9, 10 minus 2 is 8, it is minus 89. Multiply minus 89 by 11 into 11, 11 9s are 99, 9 carry, 11 8s are 88, 88 plus 9, 97. 88 plus 9, yes, 97. Now this is plus, this is minus. Answer is minus 979. This is the sum of first 22 terms of the AP. Next example, find the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 100. Our question is to find the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 100. Therefore, the required AP, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc., etc. Last number 100. We need to find the sum. Therefore, here A is the first term, it is 1. D is the common difference, it is A2 minus A1, 2 minus 1, it is 1. And N is the number of terms in the AP. Number of terms in the AP is 100. N is equals to 100. Use the formula. We know that sum of n terms of an AP is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equals to n is the number of terms, it is 100 divided by 2 into bracket 2a, 2 into a is 1 plus n minus 1, n is 100, 100 minus 1 into d is the common difference is 1, that is equals to 100 by 2, 2 1s are 2 50s are 50 into bracket 2 1s are 2 plus 100 minus 1 is 99, 99 into 1 is 99, that is equals to 50 into 99 plus 2 is 101. Take the product of 101 into 5. First multiply by 5, then put 0. 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, put this 0. This is the sum of all the natural numbers from 1 to 100. Here we used the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So by using this formula we found the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 100. Similarly, the same question can be solved by using another formula. Let us see how to find the same sum by using the another formula. Already you have studied in your 8th class. Let us remind this one. We need to find the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 100. Answer: we need to find sum of numbers from 1 to 100. Here the total numbers is 100. Total numbers is equals to 100. That is n is equals to 100. N represents total numbers. Therefore, we use the formula. We know that how to find the sum of natural numbers. We know that sum of natural numbers is sum. It is A. A represents the sum. A equals to n into bracket n plus 1 divided by 2. That is equals to n is the total number. It is 100 into bracket n plus 1, 100 plus 1 divided by 2. That is equals to, now cut 2 and 100. 2 1s are 2 50s are 50 into 100 plus 1 is 101. Now take the product. 5 1s are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 1s are 5, put this 0. The sum of all the natural numbers from 1 to 100 is 5050. Students, come to solve next question. How many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18, etc. must be taken so that their sum is 78? In this question, we are given the AP. Answer: AP is 24, 21, 18, etc. Their sum is given, sum of n terms, sum of n terms, that is equals to Sn. Sn is given 78. We need to find how many terms, therefore we need to find n is equal to question mark. Use this formula to find the sum of n terms of an AP. We know that Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, the value of Sn is given in the question. It is 78 is equals to n by 2. We don't know the value of n. Write n by 2 as it is. 2a, 2 into a is the first term. A is first term. It is 24. D is the common difference. 21 minus 24 is 21 minus 24. It is minus 3. Now A is the first term. It is 24 plus, write n minus 1 as it is, and D is the common difference. It is found minus 3. Therefore, 7. Now take this 2 to the left side. 78 into 2 is equals to n into bracket 24 into 2, 48 plus into bracket multiply n minus 1 with minus 3. N into minus 3 is minus 3n. Minus into minus is plus. 3 into 1 is 3. Therefore, 78 into 2 is, multiply, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, plus 1 15, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, plus 1 15, that is equals to n into bracket 48 plus, now plus into minus is minus 3n, plus into plus is plus 3. Therefore, 156 is equals to, multiply 48 with n, 3n with n, and 3 with n. Or once again take one more step. 48 plus 3 is 51. 51 minus 3n. Therefore, 156 is equals to n into bracket. No, multiply 51 with n. It is 51n minus n into 3n is 3n square. Take these two terms to the left side. when you transpose these two terms, minus 3n square becomes 3n square, 51n becomes minus 51. Therefore 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. Now dividing throughout by 3. Dividing throughout by 3. 3 ones are 3. This is n square minus 3 17s are 51. 17n plus 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 52 is equals to 0. Now find the factors of, now by splitting the middle term. Now by splitting the middle term, minus 17 can be written as -13 and 4, minus 13 and minus 4. 13 4s are 52. 13 and 4, their sum is minus 17. Therefore n square minus 14n minus 14n minus 3n plus 52 is equal to 0. Therefore, in the first two term n is common. Taking n as common, into bracket n minus 14. Next, take minus 3 common. Minus 3 common. Remaining n only. N minus is taken common. This change by minus. Next, it is 4 3 14s are 3 14s are 52 is equal to 0. Therefore n minus 14 into n minus 3 is equal to 0. Instead of writing these two brackets, take only one bracket, n minus 14, and write the common terms n and minus 3 in another bracket. Therefore n minus 14 into n minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore when a into b is equal to 0, a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Therefore n minus 14 is equal to 0 or n is equal to 3. So, or n minus 3 is equal to 0. When n minus 14 is equal to 0, n is equal to 0 plus 14. Therefore the value of n is equal to 14. Or when n minus 3 is equal to 0, n is equal to minus n minus 3. n minus 14, then 3 14s are. Therefore n is equals to 3. Therefore the number of terms in the AP. Students, here factorization is wrong. 14 3s are 42. Now this is 13 4s are. Minus 17n can be written as minus 13n minus 4n. Minus 13n minus 4n. Their sum is once again minus 17. Therefore, taking n as common, n into bracket, n minus 13. Next, in these two terms, 4 is common. Taking minus 4 as common, minus 4 into bracket, Here n minus is taken outside, this change by minus. 4 13s is equals to 0. Therefore n into bracket, therefore n minus 13 into n minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore n minus 13 is equal to 0 or n minus 4 is equal to 0. When n is equals to 13, when n minus 13 is equal to 0, n is equals to 13 or n is equals to 4.